Let's continue on with the questions at the bottom here. In 11, 12, and 13, they're asking us to tell whether a triangle can have sides with the given lengths, and then we are to explain. So remember, what we saw in our book today was that when I pair any two sides of the triangle together, they always have to be bigger than the other side. And you have to test that for all the possible combinations. So let's try that in 13. You'll do the same for 11 and 12. So what are my combinations here? Well, I've got 9 and 22. And I've got 9 and 14. And I've got 22 and 14. And remember, when I add those up, it has to be larger than, let's call it the odd man out. So when I add up 9 and 22 here, that's going to give me 31. Is that bigger than the other side? Well, it's 14 is the other number I didn't touch there. 31 is bigger than 14, so that's good. When I add up 9 and 14 for the next one, I get 23. Is that bigger than the other guy? Well, if I touch 9 and 14 there, I didn't use this one, 22. 23 is bigger than 22, so that checks. And then 22 and 14. Well, if I add up 22 and 14, that makes 36. Is that bigger than the other number? Well, the number I didn't touch that time was 9. 36 is bigger than 9. That one checks. Since it works every time, the answer here is yes. And you'll use that exact same approach to answer questions 11